Notice the very faint change in this. Now trying to adjust number of laps with the pointer. There we go. Background is very, the background color changes very light. Perhaps it could be made more prominent. And I'm going to turn mods on. Sometimes that's difficult. Okay, so I'm creating a lobby and I'm all done. But sometimes it's very difficult to do that. The other times, sometimes, a second part of this is that sometimes the right controller doesn't seem to work. And others have had that same problem. That's all. Save photo. Uh, uh, what I'm trying to do is turn off the video. I'll use the old-fashioned method.